morning, my name is Sierra. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, we just got from church, so I am going to try the TikTok cinnamon rolls. I have not tried these yet, but they look delicious, so let's get into it. So according to the recipe I'll be following, you'll need your cinnamon rolls. I chose pumpkin spice, heavy whipping cream, brown sugar, butter, and cinnamon. Okay, so it says to heat the oven to 350 and then spray your pan. I'm going to use this one with like nonstick. I use olive oil. I do live in base housing on a military base, so don't judge my appliances because it's what I got to work with. You're going to want to set the icing aside. I usually put it like near this, like the exhaust vent thing, so it like warms up. Then I'll rotate it that way it's like nice and warm by the time I'm going to use it. So you can use as many as you want. This is a 5-pack, so I just place them in here. I have my heavy whipping cream. It says to pour over them. Make sure you're filling it in between them, so I'm doing that. Okay, so I've melted the butter and added some ground cinnamon, and now I'm going to add a dash of brown sugar. Okay, so it says to pour this, I've mixed it up, pour this mixture over this, so that's what I'm going to do now. That's what this looks like. So now I want you to wrap it with a foil, which I'm going to do, and then you're going to bake it for 30 minutes. Okay, so I took them out and they didn't look quite done, so I took the foil off and I put them in there for like probably 5 more minutes. So now I'm going to put the icing on. Okay, so I put the icing on and they look delicious and super gooey, so I can't wait to try them. Okay, so as far as in like taste test, it tastes like the center of the cinnamon roll, so it's super delicious. You don't get like the hard parts like if you were to cook it traditionally. I think it would be great for like a holiday season, so like with the holidays coming up, it's super delicious. We don't make these often, but I think I will for Thanksgiving and things like that. I definitely recommend. But if I lay down